is how you make the quarter stick pro work. Come around here so they can see what I'm doing right here. I bring that over like that. I'll bring this tool over here. I rock this down into the corner behind the seal. Slide this in down behind the seal. This is down, the stuff's behind the seal. You drag the tool across through here. Push the film right off in behind the seal. And that's got it. I always work from the center out. Half across, same thing here. Tuck that in there. You see there's two fingers right here in the center. Once we pull them out by pushing the film. When you do that, then you load this film. I'm pushing it dry with a sledgehammer. No water on this thing. That bonds that film down because it puts more pressure on it. Same thing over here, I'm putting pressure this way. I'm catching this finger. I'm gonna get a tad of water on there just like that. Push this baby out.